Hello my dear students, in this lesson we are doing a simple program to calculate profit or loss. So we have recently learned about the if-else statement. So here also two choices are there, either a person will got a profit or a loss. So it is a two-way decision. But before directly going with the program, we are seeing the logic first, and then after we will be doing a program. So let us see the flowchart for this program. So flowchart always starts with the start symbol. After that, of course, next step we have to input the values of selling price and the cost price. Suppose it is SP and CP. So the condition here I am checking is why if SP is greater than CP. So of course if selling price is greater than cost price, then if this condition is true, so of course a person will get the profit and it will be equals to SP minus CP. So here I am storing the value of profit or loss in variable AMT. So now AMT equals to SP minus CP, and after that I will be printing the message profit with the amount by which he got the profit. So this is the yes part of SP is greater than CP. But if it is no, so if it will be no, then obviously a person got a loss and it will be equals to CP minus SP. And after that I'll printing the message loss with the amount of loss, and after printing profit or loss we will be up to the end of the program. Now we will write the program. See here, this is our flow chart and here I am writing the program. So firstly you have to include the file. So here I will be requiring three variables. So suppose I take it as float variables. So float SP comma CP and a variable amount. So I have declared here the three variables. Then I have to input the values of cost price and selling price. So I am giving the message here. I am inputting the values now. So this is about the input. Now I have to check the condition. So after inputting the values, I have to now check the condition, that is whether selling price is greater than CP, that is the cost price. So if this condition is true, then I have to calculate the profit amount. So therefore if this is true, then and after that I will print the profit amount. So printf. So this is a complete if part. So now I'll go to the else part. So else part of this. So see the else part of this. So if condition is false, then amount equals to CP minus SP. So amount equals to CP minus SP. Same message I am copying here. So simply you have got a loss. So this is a complete program for calculating either a profit or the loss. So let us run the program now. So please enter cost price and selling price. So suppose I enter cost price as 4,000 and selling price as 5,000. So see here you have got profit of rupees 1000. So here cost price is CP is 4000, SP is 5000. 5000 is greater than 4000, condition is true. So hence amount will be equals to 5000 minus 4000, which will be equals to 1000, and after that a message that you have got profit of rupees 1000 will be displayed. So let us run the same program for loss. So suppose I now enter the values 5000 and 2000. So that means cost price is 5000 and selling price is 2000. So see here the output. You have got a loss of rupees 3000, which will be equals to 5000 minus 2000, that is cost price minus selling price. So here this condition will be false, because SP is now 2000. So 2000 greater than 5000, condition will be false, and hence the statement after else will be executed. So amount will be equals to 5000 minus 2000, that will be 3000, and you have got a loss of rupees 3000 will be displayed. So this is all for now. In the next lesson we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.